you, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Ladessa. You spell that L-A-D-E capital D-E-S-S-A. L to the D to the L to the D to the L to the D to the Ladessa. What's good? If you are new, again, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you are one of my regular schmegulas, I know you're like, I thought the channel name was. You're in the right place. Have no fear, my dear. But buckle up, a buttercup. Hey, I made a wig. Look, I made this. Ow. New channel. Who this? So, what we are doing is we are restructuring what it is we're doing. If you hear noise, my heater is on. It's cold now here in the shop. But anyway, so I've rolled out a new name. I'm going to be taking a different approach to the channel. We're going to do some themey like things. One of those things is what I'm going to be featuring in just a bit. But my life is different now. And I was talking to my girls, Lulu and Danny. Lulu has a channel here on YouTube. It's Aging Gorgeously. And her link will be in the description box. And then my girl Danny also has a channel. Her channel is Down South with Danny. The link will be in the description box. But I was talking to them about just like where my life is now, and you know, all that, you know, Louis, Gucci, Prada at the same damn time. That's not my life anymore. You know, I am still in love with beauty, and I still want to, you know, be boiling. But you know, beauty is boiling on a budget now, you know, and I have to embrace my new life, my one income household, and figure out how I can do the things that I love, like painting my face, wearing wigs and whatnot. And how can I do that and still live within my means and still enjoy creating content? And that was one of the things that kind of kept me away. It just was like, you know, all that, you know, shopping and swiping and all of that, that's just not my life anymore. So I had to mentally get myself together. And after that conversation I had with them, Lulu gave me the idea for the name of the channel, and this is where we are. I'm a brown girl. I'm still bougie, but we on a budget. Real spill. All right, so one of the things that I want to do when I can is Melanin Mondays. And what I will be doing on Melanin Mondays is either featuring a new product or, you know, using a new product on my face that is either owned by people of color or collaborated, you know, like a person of color collaborated with a company, and they're being, you know, featured. So I have a little stack of stuff that I have purchased over the last probably couple of months that I haven't featured on the channel, but they are all representations of women of color. So if you want to see what I've been swiping for, how it's going down, you know, on the Brown and Bourgeoisie channel, let's go. All right, so the very first thing I have to feature is the ABH and Jackie Aina palette. The, you know, was it like duochrome, the printed or alligator print or reptile print, whatever this is, packaging is just the bomb. I mean, it just is what it is. I have to be honest though, I have struggled with this palette, and I think this is the one that came and it was broke, and they sent me a new one. Let's see. Yeah, this is the broke one, but I'll just kind of show you. But ABH was on it. I sent them a picture of the palette and that it was broke, and they sent me a new one. So I'm actually gifting this to a friend. But I have really struggled with trying to put looks together with this palette, and I think the reason for that is I'm accustomed to the ABH formula, you know that their formulas are more, their shadows are more soft pressed. The pigmentation for sure is there, no issue there, but the pressing is just a little bit harder. And I don't know. I'm not a makeup artist. I just like to play in makeup, and I've struggled with my looks with this palette, but it's a bomb ass palette nonetheless. So one of the things that I will be doing soon is creating a look with this palette, and trying to do something a bit more fall, you know, sultry, and stay away from the shimmers, because that's my draw. Like, I'm a shimmer girl, but I'm loving mattes as well. So I think I want to try my hand at creating a look with the mattes, but I had to, you know, Jackie. I had to shout her out. I mean, she just, yeah, I mean, she is who she is. Like her, don't like her, but there's no denying what she is to the beauty community, especially to women of color. So that was that. And then, who is not watching Power? Are you not watching Power? Are you not happy that Lala is dead? Because I am. I just, like, every time Lala came on the screen, I just be like, why is she not dead already? I'm just saying, like, her acting skills, I just couldn't do it. But anyway, what I purchased was the Colored Rain Power collab. And so I purchased the, what's this? Call the Shots highlighter and blush palette. So this is this one. I haven't even dipped into it yet. So that's that one here. Hope the color is coming and it's not washed out. So that's that one. Maybe I'll bring it back here. Yeah, I think it's a little washed out, but anyway, I have the Call the Shots palette, and then I also purchased the eyeshadow palette, and I've played with it just a little bit. Again, the shimmers, because I love them so much. I've played in those and a couple of the mattes. But yeah, so Colored Rain, and also from the Colored Rain and Power collab, did I buy any of the lip glosses? No, I didn't. I only bought one lip gloss from Colored Rain, and that was one of their satin cream matte lips. And this is in, oh, it's called Satin Cream, so that's the color. So it's this really pretty nude. And try as I might, I try to do dark lips, vampy lips, but I'm just a nude lip girl, so I got that. All right, so that's Colored Rain. Sorry. All right, and the this collaboration is a bit older, but I had to support. I just love Fumi, despite, you know, what Chi Chi, is that her name, Chi Chi, from Juvia's Place is all about and has lost her ever-loving mind. I had to support Fumi. So this is the Queen palette, the Fumi times Juvia's Place. Is Fumi just not the most beautiful? Oh my gosh, she's so damn pretty. But I bought her palette, again, the shimmer that I, you know, put brush to. But I'm going to play with this palette. We'll do some looks on the channel with this as well. And I didn't buy the vampy colors. Again, I'm a nude lip girl, so I had to get her her gloss collaboration, and this is called Royalty. So that is, and I'm sure you saw it. But Juvia's Place does have stick foundations now, so I think I'm gonna dig in, especially it's winter and my skin gets so dry, so stick foundations are gonna be really great for me and give me that full coverage. I'm assuming that it'll be full coverage. All right, and then last but certainly not least is from Mented Cosmetics. I love their Everyday Shadow Palette. Their stick foundation was a little too dewy even for me, and I love, you see me glowing, right? It was just a little too dewy for me, so even though I purchased it, it didn't work out. I'll put the video from where I used it in the cards, and you'll see that I'm shining. But anyway, they collaborated with Ashley Blaine Featherston. She is from Dear White People, and they have a bronzer and highlighter palette. They had season 1 and season 2. Season 2 was a bit darker. So I got season 1. I probably should have gotten season 2 just because I could bronze better, because this bronzer is just a little light, so I'll probably pick it up. It's a little too I guess, cool toned. I like a more golden. So this is season 1, medium shade bronzer highlighter duo. So I love the highlighter, which is that rose gold. It looks really beautiful on my skin, but the bronzer, not so much. So at some point in time, I'm gonna pick up season 2 if it's not sold out. I don't know. All right. And then also from Mented Cosmetics, I had to get Peach for the Stars. Like, that is the brown girl jam here on YouTube. So I got this blush, and I like that their blushes have a little bit of shimmer to them. So if you don't, if you wanted to use a deeper blush, you could actually use this as a highlighter. And you know what? I think this looks like the Colored Rain one. Hold on, let me see. Oh, no, they're different. Okay, but anyway, so I got Peach for the Stars, and then I had to get another staple in their collection, in their lips, is Peach Please. I had to get that. It's just the perfect nude for a brown girl. Ooh, look, it's got the Jaclyn Hill, but that's my hair. It didn't come like that. There's a little piece of hair on there, or lint or something, but this came how it should have. All right, and then I also purchased 2 lip glosses from the Mented times Ashley Blaine Featherston collab. I got this lip gloss. It's a brown, kind of golden brown. It's called Bombshell. I don't know if you can see that. But anyway, it's this really pretty, like, brownish kind of golden hue. It's very, very pretty. So if you can see that. That is beautiful. And then I also got their lip gloss in Star Studded. It's just a really pretty gold lip, more like a lip topper. I don't know if you can, hopefully you can see that. There you go. And this actually really reminds me of the Pat McGrath Lust Gloss. This one right here. But I think Pat, she's just the queen of pigment. Her gold is a bit richer, a bit more yellow. I mean, you can see more of the gold flecks. But I guess if I was to build Mented up, oh, I love the Mented glosses. If I was to build them up, so this is Pat right here. You can see, not washed out. All right, so that was it. I just wanted to, reintroduce you to my channel, let you know what it is we're doing. We're gonna do far more budget-friendly looks, like the look that I have on my face. I'm going to show you how I came up with this look. And it was a struggle, so be easy on me. All right, and I'll be featuring more hair, like, now that I know how to make a wig and everything, so more wigs, my head wraps, my skincare, of course. So that's kind of where the bourgeoisie will come in, because I still got to squirrel away money for my skincare. I can't be messing with my canvas, okay? All right, so yeah, and it just came to me right now, the light bulb said bling. So what I will do, because I am who I am, though I got to dial it back because my coins is different, I will feature at least one luxury or, high-end product in everything that I do, because I have a whole arsenal and station of stuff. So I can, get use of the stuff that I have as I incorporate it with more budget-friendly makeup. All right. Well, thank you so much for hanging out with me. If you are new, thank you. I hope that you will continue to stop by. I hope that you'll subscribe to my channel. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Let's get to know each other down in the comments section. If you are on IG, that's Instagram, please follow me on Instagram, same name as we are here on YouTube, Brown and Bourgeoisie. I will leave a link to my Instagram down below. I don't really Snapchat and I don't Twitter, but I might, if I can pull it together. But yeah, so again, thank you. Always remember to pack light, because bag lady, bag man, you and me too, we are gonna hurt our backs, dragging all them bags like, excuse me, dragging all them bags like that. Go forth with your new wig and whatever you got popping and slay. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.